Hello and welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today, for your math assignment, you have 4 parts. The first part is please go back to your Google Forms you turned in last week, and any mistakes that you made, please rework those problems. If you're having trouble getting to the correct answer, please call me with your parents' permission at 970-541-4413. If you did not complete those Google Forms from last week, please find them in the previous math assignments topic and go ahead and complete those. And if you had everything correct, great work. You could work on Dreambox for 15 or 20 minutes. Once you have done that, your next part is to watch this video of the review, and then please do your Khan Academy assignment, and lastly, that Google form for today. All right, our first problem that we are going to do together is 93 hundredths times 5 tenths. I would like for you to pause the video and do this on your own and then come back and check. So go ahead and pause the video. All right, I'm going to turn my paper sideways and then I'm going to do 93 hundredths times 5 tenths. Remember, when we are multiplying decimals, we do not need to line up the decimals. So I do 5 times 3 is 15, 5 down, 1 up, and then I'll do 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. And lastly, 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. Then I count the digits behind decimals in my problem, 1, 2, 3. So I need to make sure 3 digits are behind the decimal, 1, 2, and 3. Place my decimal, I'll add a 0 in front. And I got to 465 thousandths. I'm going to check with rounding. So 93 hundredths times 5 tenths, 93 hundredths, I would round, and I would get 9 tenths times 5 tenths. 9 times 5 is 45, and then there are 1, 2 digits behind the decimal. 45 hundredths is very close to 465 thousandths. Again, so I got to 465 thousandths as my product. Okay, and the final problem that we are going to do together is 14 and 8 tenths times 5 and 6 tenths. Just like the last problem, if you could go ahead and pause your video and work out that problem on your own and then come back and check. All right, so I am doing 14 and 8 tenths times 5 and 6 tenths. I'm going to circle the 6. 6 times 8 is 48, so the 8 comes down, the 4 goes up. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. And then 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Then I'll do tick, tack, toe. I'm going to circle my 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 0 down, 4 up. And then I have 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. 4 goes down, 2 goes up. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And I'm going to add my partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. I count the digits behind the decimal. 1, 2, 1, 2. I got 82 and 88 hundredths. I'm going to check with estimation. So I have 14 and 8 tenths times 5 and 6 tenths. 14 and 8 tenths will round to 10. And then 5 and 6 tenths is going to round to 6. 10 times 6 is 60. 60 is lower than 82 and 88 hundredths, but we rounded 14 and 8 tenths all the way down to 10, so it makes sense that it will be less. It's still close enough. And then so my final product was 82 and 88/100ths. If you are struggling with your times tables, Mr. Klein has posted videos of rolling numbers under the intervention tab for Mr. Klein. So feel free to watch those to practice. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me with your parents' permission. Have a great day. Bye-bye.